Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on your MacBook Air. Currently, native Fortnite support for Mac is unavailable, but don't worry, there are excellent ways to enjoy the game. We will explore cloud gaming platforms that stream the game directly to your device. This guide will help you understand the best approaches and optimize your setup for a smooth and enjoyable experience, ensuring you can join the Battle Royale action. Cloud gaming is your best bet for playing Fortnite on a MacBook Air. Services like NVIDIA GeForce Now and Xbox Cloud Gaming allow you to stream the game over the internet. This means the heavy processing happens on powerful remote servers, not your Mac. You simply need a strong, consistent internet connection, ideally with speeds of at least 25 megabits per second, to enjoy high-quality gameplay without downloads or installations. Even with cloud gaming, optimizing your MacBook Air helps. Ensure your device has sufficient RAM, typically at least 8 gigabytes, for smooth operation. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background to free up system resources. While cloud gaming handles most processing, a faster internet connection, ideally over 50 megabits per second, will significantly enhance your streaming quality and reduce latency for a more responsive game. To truly elevate your Fortnite experience, consider a few enhancements. A wired Ethernet connection, if feasible, provides the most stable and lowest latency internet. Using an external controller, such as an Xbox or PlayStation gamepad, offers superior precision and comfort over the trackpad. Keep an eye on your MacBook Air's temperature during extended play, and ensure good airflow to maintain optimal performance throughout your gaming sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.